Lift up the machine by manual forklift. Make sure the 4 footnuts are aligned with the base. Install the screws to fix the feet rack. Put the machine on the ground. Tighten the screws. Open the chassis door and find the power connection on the side. 3 live wires are connected to the red, A, B, C positions. The neutral wire end is connected to the blue wire position. The yellow-green wire on the side is the ground connection with a PE mark. Open the main circuit breaker on the right and observe the phase sequence protector. A single green light flashes, indicating that the live wire connection is wrong. At this time, exchange the connection positions of 2 of the live wires. Turn on the power again. The green light and red light flash at the same time, indicating that the power line is successfully connected. The air pressure gauge of the main machine is below the paper feeder. The air pipe of the air compressor is connected to the air inlet. The upper knob can control the air pressure. After pulling up the knob, turn it clockwise to increase the air pressure. Turn it counterclockwise to reduce the air pressure. After confirmation, press the knob down to lock the air pressure. Make sure the air pressure is between 0.5 and 0.6 MPa. Before running the machine, you need to add enough number 46 hydraulic oil. Refer to amount in the video. Make it close to or above the oil level on the mark. Only with enough oil can the full oil circulation of the machine be used normally. Butter needs to be added to lubricate the moving parts. Open the oil cap and pour in enough butter. It is recommended to fill it up directly to the mark. After filling, put the bottle cap back on and tighten it. Press down the pressure switch, and you can push and pull the wrench to increase the pressure. Pay attention to the pressure gauge on the right. Stop it when the pointer reaches the red area. At this time, pull the pressure switch to release the pressure. Then you can press the switch again and push and pull the wrench to increase the pressure again. Repeat the above actions 7 to 8 times, and the butter can be transported through the oil pipe. Silicone oil can be added directly to the silicone oil bottle. It is recommended to add to 1.25 positions. After the machine is running, the silicone oil will be automatically transported to the whole machine through the pipeline. Then the recycling system will recycle the waste oil into the recycling bottle. During daily maintenance, you only need to clean the recycling bottle. Double-coated paper cups have a special additional oil spray device. When pouring silicone oil, you need to unscrew the oil storage bottle on the right. According to the markings on the shell, pour a proper amount of silicone oil into the oil storage bottle. Then put the shell back and pay attention to the bottom plastic needs to be exposed from the shell. After confirmation, put the oil storage bottle back and snap it back into the slot. The air pressure here can also be adjusted by the upper knob. Control it at about 0.3 MPa. Rotate the right knob to adjust the amount of oil spray. Turn clockwise to reduce the amount of oil spray. Turn counterclockwise to increase the amount of oil spray. You can observe the cup mold molding in time and make adjustments immediately. First, confirm the coated surface and printed surface of your paper. Then arrange the paper neatly. Before processing, spray water on the top of the paper fan for later use. Wait 10 to 20 minutes before use. Place the printed surface on the conveyor belt with the paper facing outwards. Push the pressure block to keep the paper flat. After the machine starts production, the conveyor belt will automatically feed the paper to the paper cup rack. First, install the bottom paper roll on the roller. Pull the handle here to raise the bottom paper roll. Make sure the bottom paper roll is pulled out from the bottom. Make sure the coated surface is facing up. Refer to the video and insert the first paper feeder. Then pass it through the upper and lower rollers. After pulling it out, insert it into the downward track to ensure that the bottom paper passes the photoelectric detection. The second paper feeder can be inserted directly. When inserting the cutter, it must be inserted between the two positioning rods, here. After inserting, push the bottom paper roll manually and continue to push it. The bottom paper roll will be pushed along the waste paper track. Until it is exposed from the waste cutting device. After inserting, pull down the wrenches of the two paper feeders respectively to reinforce the bottom paper roll. Finally, start the machine and the bottom paper can be cut normally, which means the installation of the bottom paper roll is completed. After the hose power is turned on, the detection system will also be turned on. You can directly observe the production situation in real time through the side screen and the camera. And get detailed data directly on the screen. The large frame on the left shows the test results and the photo of the inside of the cup. NG means defective, OK means pass the test. NG defective products will also be rejected by the waste rejection device. The right side of the screen is for daily operation. You can start, stop, and reset the detection system. The switch below controls the OK image saving and NG image saving. If you need to check, you can turn it on. It is not recommended to turn on the testing mode. The counting part displays the total number, the number of good products and defective products, respectively. The bottom part can display the area and intensity of the adjusted detection. The data are detection items, current value, number of rejections, and detection sensitivity. The first item of the detection item is the overall inspection. Can detect whether there are stains or cracks on the inner wall of the cup. The second item is cracks. Detect the curling of the paper cup. The third item is stains on the bottom of the cup. Can detect stains within the center of the bottom of the cup. The fourth item is stains on the wall of the cup. Can supplement the blind area of the first and third items. Achieve full coverage of the detection inside the cup. The fifth item is leakage detection. Can detect the adhesion of the bottom of the cup and check whether there is a gap. The test results will be displayed in the current value in a digital form. If the current value is greater than the sensitivity, it means that it does not meet the standard and the paper cup will be rejected. Click the sensitivity item that needs to be adjusted and slide the mouse wheel. You can adjust the sensitivity. The larger the number, the looser the detection. Adjust according to your actual production. The main functions can be set directly on the home page. Production speed can be adjusted by clicking on the speed directly. Angle and production count are also real-time data, changing in real time with machine production. The green button can be long pressed to clear the production count. Click on the temperature control to jump to the temperature control page. The main temperature control can also be operated on the main interface. Side heating to control the advanced heating before ultrasonic bonding. Heating under the edge. Preheating the other side of the fan-shaped paper. Heating the cup barrel, preheating before gluing the bottom paper. Bottom one heating, bottom to heating is two-way bottom heating. The last item is curling heating. Jog forward and jog reverse buttons on the right. When pressed, the machine will rotate forward or reverse, and the machine will stop when the button is released. The bottom is the alarm reset button. When a yellow bar alarm warning appears on the top of the screen, press the alarm reset button to clear the alarm. Automatic mode and the return to original sign indicate that the machine can be turned on. When it displays manual mode, the machine cannot achieve automatic production. The parameter setting page does not need to be changed. This page controls the start and stop time of each component. 78 in the upper left corner is the current real-time angle of the machine. Paper detection 300 means when the angle reaches 300, the machine's paper detection photoelectric starts to work. Paper suction 210 and 5 means that the paper suction starts at an angle of 210. Paper suction stops when the angle reaches 5. Please do not modify the parameter setting page without permission, and you need to adjust it under professional guidance. Modifying parameters will directly affect the normal operation of the machine. Function page can be adjusted: photoelectric sensing, temperature control, servo motor. The detection function page can control the opening and closing of all detection devices of the machine. The temperature control function is an extension of the temperature control setting of the operation page. The 6 temperature control settings are the same as the operation page. The fan safety temperature stops and starts. The temperature at which the fan is powered off when shutting down can be set. 60 degrees Celsius means that the fan must be cooled to 60 or below 60 degrees Celsius before it will be powered off. Temperature difference alarm 50 degrees Celsius, indicating that the real-time temperature is 50 degrees Celsius higher or lower than the set temperature. The machine will alarm. No need to adjust the servo monitoring page. The manual page controls the jog operation of a single component. This interface is used for detection. The servo manual is the jog operation of the servo motor. The monitoring page displays the real-time status of a single component. The alarm page displays the machine alarm record. Due to the difference in paper cup sizes, the cup collection rack has vertical and horizontal cup collection methods. We will match the most suitable cup delivery method for you. First, you need to connect the connecting pipe to the cup collection rack. Then connect the air pipe of the air compressor to the air pressure gauge of the cup collection rack. The air pressure needs to be stable at 0.4206 MPa. Pull up the knob to adjust the air pressure. Increase the air pressure clockwise. Turn counterclockwise to reduce air pressure. After confirmation, press the knob to lock the air pressure. After confirming that the power supply is connected, turn on the main power switch. The machine will automatically collect paper cups according to the settings. Turn on the power switch. Make sure the emergency stop switch is released. Turn on the switch of the inkjet printer. After the hose is powered on, the detection device will also be turned on at the same time. Press the reset button on the remote control. The machine will return to the origin angle, otherwise it will not be able to start. Turn on the Set 6 temperature control switches. Wait for all real-time temperatures to reach the set temperature. Click the inching switch on the remote control to check whether the machine can operate normally. After confirming that everything is correct, press and hold the start button. The machine will start running. Press the paper suction button at this time. The machine will start sucking paper to carry out production. Six temperature controls can be turned off in advance before shutting down. The temperature control function also sets the fan safety temperature for shutdown. The default fan safety temperature shutdown temperature is 60 degrees Celsius. Direct shutdown if the safety temperature is not reached. The shutdown protection will be turned on and the shutdown will be delayed by 300 seconds. If the temperature drops to 60 degrees Celsius within the 300-second countdown, The machine will also shut down directly. When shutting down, please also confirm that the mold does not stay in the heating device. Avoid the risk of damage caused by long-term heating. We have also set the shutdown angle before delivery to avoid risks. To ensure safety, you also need to confirm when shutting down.